Alright guys, a few days ago I was using the drill press and the switch failed on me. You see there, it just wants to stay on all the time, which is not a terrible thing. I mean, at least I could use it, but for a safety concern, it kind of sucks, because if anything ever happens, I mean, there you go, you're going to be stuck on. So first thing you're going to got to do to replace this switch, it's a pretty common switch. This is a Chinese 15-inch drill press. This one's just happened to have Craftsman on it, but I'm sure there are plenty of other companies out there using this same exact drill press with their name on it. So the first thing you need to do is unplug everything. Anyway, this one has two power plugs. You need to take both of them off. I went ahead and ordered the replacement switch from Amazon, and that's all there is to it. Just a switch, two conductors on it. Very easy to do. I can't remember how much the switch was. I think it was less than 20 bucks. So it looks just like it. So let's take a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, minus all the chips, and this has two screws, 2 Phillips head screws. Lay those where I'll lose them. Then just pull this out. And it really doesn't matter which conductor goes on which post, because all this is just a brake switch. That's all it does. Well, not a brake switch, it's a breaker switch. So it doesn't matter which side they're on. So now what you'll want to do to get the old switch off, you'll see it has these tangs on it. You just want to mash those, and it'll start coming loose. Kind of have to work it out a little bit. There we go. We've got our pop loose now. Now all we need to do, since this can go on either way, because the screws are on the same size either way you turn it, so it doesn't really matter which way you put the switch in. Then you'll want to push the switch in. It's going to snap in. So now when you put it in, make sure you put on upwards. Reconnect your terminals. Reinstall the screws. Get everything clear of the drill. Plug her back in. And if I did everything right, which I probably didn't, it should work. Hey, look at there. It's like magic. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. Some of you may want to know a part number. So here it is. I ordered it off of Amazon. Hopefully you can see that, because I'm about blind. So just pause the video there if you need to write the number down. But what can I say? It's a very simple install. You can do it if I can do it. Thanks.